Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I edit my end card. So I'm going to use my Chrome. This is my Chrome up here. See, up here, beside the Apple. I'm on Chrome. Then I'm going to go to my Pick Monkey. I'm going to click it because as I showed you guys in my how I edit my NVIDIA thumbnail, NVIDIA logo, Pick Monkey doesn't work on Safari because I don't have the latest Adobe thingy. So I don't know how to rectify that, so I just go to Chrome. I downloaded Chrome from the App Store. It doesn't come with the MacBooks. So I'm going to click Custom, and as we discussed, Custom is it allows. It's not the only thing that YouTube accepts. It's just it allows your picture to come up without the black bars, and everything that I put on it, it comes up. It shows everything is seen, nothing is hidden, because these are the dimensions for YouTube. So 1280 by 720. Click Make It. And I'm going to use a transparent, I'm going to use a white canvas actually. Click Apply. Then I'm going to go to the butterfly on your left hand side, and I'm going to also go to Your Own because I have some images already. Oh, I needed to show you guys, so I'll put it into the video. Okay, so I have some images saved. I have like an iMac and a MacBook saved, so let's see. If you guys hear talking and stuff, I'm at the office, so I'm sorry. I had to get this video up for you guys. And you know, with my schedule, it's a little bit difficult. So I'm going to get the iMac PNG, and it says PNG. But even though it says PNG, there's a white background. And let me show you what I mean. Let me go back to basic edits, and I go to canvas color. Look, when I click transparent, you see the white comes up underneath it here. Why isn't it highlighting? Let me click apply. I have to click. If you don't click apply, the changes won't be saved. So I click the image, and I'm going to make it bigger. You see the white underneath it? I don't want that white underneath it. That is so not cute. So not cute. Okay, so I'm going to make the image a little bigger, and I'm going to go to erase. So here I'm going to erase the white that's there, right? So I'm going to erase. I'm going to turn the harshness. Reason being, the harshness gives a more air, the lower the harshness, the more airbrush it looks. Like, observe. So I'm going to make the erase a little bit bigger too. So you see, it gives a more airbrush effect. Now if I turn up the harshness, it's not as, see how sharp it is? It's not as airbrushy. Command Z to redo Command Z. Okay, so now I'm going to turn back down the harshness, and I'm going to have the eraser be a little bit smaller because I'll be erasing this right here. So it's in my hand, and I'm just holding down on the mouse. I click the mouse, holding it down, and then just using my other finger to erase this white over here. So that's all I'm doing. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now you have to have a sort of a steady hand to do this because it can get real messy real quick. And if you make a mistake and you're on a MacBook, you can just press Command Z, or if you're on a PC, you can just press Control Z, or the back arrows on top, like up here. We have open, save, share. You can just press the back arrows and it redo or redoes. So now I'm going to change the canvas color to see if I erased it properly. Canvas color to pink. Is that what I'm talking about? You see how much junk still leave under there? Let me click apply. Click apply just for the sake of the video. Click the image, and I'm going to erase. See this line here, line, and sometimes it don't erase properly. Oh, that's Jonathan. I'm so neat now. So it's a little bit shabby here, just cleaning it up. Just cleaning it up. Over here, just cleaning up the image. Right under here, cleaning up the image. I'm going to change back, and I'm going to do canvas color, and I'm going to go transparent and apply. Click the image, and then you can pull from the four corners to expand the image or to make it smaller. It's really dependent on you. And then I'm going to save it like this. Then I'm going to search subscribe subscribe button PNG. I hope that was spelled correctly. PNG images. I wonder if I can get it in pink. Let's see if I can get it in pink. Subscribe button in PNG. Ooh, that's cute. This is cute right here. Click here to subscribe now. Subscribe. Oh, that's a cute one over here. So subscribe now. Never miss an episode. Keep calm and subscribe. Okay, I think I like this one, but I also like this purple one. Click here to subscribe now. So I like this one. I like this one good. Oh, and look, it is transparent because it has the boxes, the gray and white boxes underneath. Click view in image. Cookie information. What the hell is this demonic thing? Oh my god, it's a demonic something. Can a demonic something this? What is this? Let me click it. Let me just I double click the mouse pad and save as pink subscribe PNG. But I'm going to go to photo and I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to the butterfly, go to your own, then I'm going to go to downloads and I'm going to search for the pink LMNOP pink. So it's probably down here. LMNOP. Was it saved? HIJK. Oh, there it is. Oh, here it is. There. I'm gonna put her right here. I don't have to make the laptop. And look, I can send the subscribe. I'm going to click it and I can send it to back. So I'm going to just double click. I'm using 2 fingers on the mouse pad. Do it. Good. Haha. Send to back. See, it goes behind. Bring forward, and it comes back in front. So I'm going to just make this a little bit smaller. I wish it was a little bit smaller. I wish it was a baller. I wish it was a girl, but caller. Alright. There. So I'm going to say subscribe. Right. Or I can do this. I can make this come down here. Ooh, okay. Right. I've never done this before with a transparent background. I've always used a white background. So let's see what this is. Subscribe, put that there. Then I want to say watch next. So arrow PNG. Let's get pink. Let's do this here. View image. Double click on the mouse pad. Save image as. It's going to be saved as arrow in downloads. Then I'm going to close. Then I'm going to go to your own. And then I'm going to take downloads arrow. So if it's arrow, then it's supposed to be right at the front. Right? LMNOP attach. Where are it? Get our up here. I don't know where it is. Shouldn't be this far. The joys of no steps skipped. It's not doing it. Oh my god. I can't. Wow, lyric. Arrow, watch next. Put this over here. See how it's just no box around it? I'm gonna move these guys over here some more. You know what? Let me just do this over here. Guys, I'm literally making this up as you're watching me, so I hope you don't mind me making this new end card. And I want to say watch next. Subscribe. And I can, the top button, I can turn it like that. Watch next. Then I'm going to go to TT. I'm going to close this. What's the blood cleanse? What is this demonism? See, my laptop is just slowing up. God of grace, mercy, and truth. So close my dog. Alright, so what do I want to do? I just blackjack, add text, watch next, click to watch, watch next. Nah, don't like that font. That font sucks. Don't like it. Remove this by holding down, just moving it over here and see what kind of font I do like. Great vibes. Ew. Lavendicia. Ew. Ewer. Gia. Oh yeah, this is cute. I mean, it's not girly, but you know, what else? Watch next. Make it bigger. To pull up from the corner. I'm gonna say watch next. I can feel myself when I'm with you. Click the arrow, make the arrow a little bit smaller, and make it come out of like the watch next pointing. Right? Click back watch next to bring it over some more. Then I'm going to go into draw effects, like that magic wand. I'm going to scroll until I say draw. On the back side, what is some of them doing so? Until it's some pencils, some colored pencils. See, draw colored pencils. Click that. Then I want to do pink, and I have a preference to that color. I'm going to choose turn down the harshness so it's more of an airbrushy, and then apply. Oh, oopsie. See, watch next. Cool, huh? And then what else am I gonna do? What else? Apply. If I don't click apply, then the changes won't be saved. Watch next. Alright, so let me bring this up some more. Bring up the laptop some more. Bring up the MacBook some more. And then I think I'm going to put my POMI By. If I had my POMI By logo, I could put it there now. Or I could just say, should I change the subscriber? I'll make this a bit faded. Click it and then just fade it a little bit. Should I? Yeah, just a little bit faded. Watch next. Subscribe. Okay. Should I do my POMI By logo? I don't know. I'm just going to save. Then I'm going to say a new end card. AA new end card. And save to my computer. Save the downloads. Then I'm going to go into my iMovie. Is it done? Creating still. But I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go to projects, show you guys what it looks like. So let me go to this. Ooh, click right here, then say open project.
Everyone, Saril is here.
Well guys, Saril is here. So then I'm going to come right here, like click the end, and I'm going to drag it. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and we just made this, just drag it onto here. Oh, is it going to be like that? I've never done it fit, so I'm going to say fit. No, it doesn't show. The arrow doesn't show. So I'm gonna have to make it. I'm gonna have to make the background white in order for it to show canvas color. And I'm gonna have to make it white. In order for it to show. Watch next. A new logo. A new end card. White. Save to my computer. My computer. Save it. Go back here. Just white. Drag it there. I'm going to double click the image, as in down here, double click it, then click fit, then the ticky, the blue sticky, and that's it. And then how I do it is I can drag videos or clips into it. Go to downloads, then I go to click my finder. That was my, I'm in my finder now. Go to documents, and then how I edit here, close, and then I can just select. I'm going to split clip and delete it, delete the rest, and just put this down, put this on top here. So it's a picture in picture. Wasn't it doing picture in picture? Can I do Monique? It should be on top. It's not going on top. Wasn't it going on top? Wasn't it going on top? It should go on top. Why isn't it going on top? It's so weird. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to go back into my iMovie, and I have clips already loaded here. So I'm going to take this clip to show you guys how I put the video into this little space here. Oh, double click that, click fit, click the tick, select this and pull this on top of that. So I'm going to click this image because it's on top. It's on top. This right here is on top. Click that and then do this drop box, and then instead of it being cut away, I'm going to select picture in picture. As I select picture in picture, it looks like this. Then pull it down and widen it so that it fits right into the image itself. So I just searched iMac PNG or MacBook Pro PNG. Well, as you can see, I can erase it if it's not if you can't find the PNG and it has the white, I can erase it. So I'm trying to get this as even as possible with one hand. Then I'm going to click the tick. But look, you see how this clip is longer? So I'm going to cut it. Just going to bring it in. And normally I have videos playing in my video. I mean music playing in my videos. So I am just going to select this clip and I'm going to mute it. Mute it. Select that clip. Mute it. So this is how it looks. So that's what it looks like. So what I also did is that I was going to tell you guys, I don't like how this looks. I think I'm going to add some more stuff to it, like some diamonds or something to it, because I don't like how it looks. So but yeah, that's how I make my end card. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Drop dead like me turn a earth over. I am born again, born again. Me no mean mommy give me earth over. Any rhythm want me I go put a verse over. You must see about the Lord when the verse over. So no wicked heart can't come over.